Hello Internet, and welcome to another exciting edition of Corporate Armor Unboxing, the video series where we unbox the latest and greatest in security tech, and we show you guys how cool it is. Now in this episode, we are going to be unboxing the Aumox, really don't know the proper pronunciation. If you guys know, please feel free to add a comment below and let me know how to say it. But for this video, we're going to go with the Aumox 4-port PoE switch. If you're looking for a PoE switch for a home or small office, you should consider Aumox. The model that we're going to be looking at today is the SG105POE. So let's get this thing unboxed and see what's inside. All right, let's take a look. So in the box, you get a customer satisfaction card. It's got the website in case you need some assistance. You also get the installation guide. And it looks like the switch itself and of course the power supply. Now on the front of the switch, you have 5 RJ45 ports, 4 of which are PoE. On the back of the switch, you have a VLAN switch that allows you to keep the 4 ports completely isolated from each other while still communicating with the 5th port. You have the place to plug in power, and you have a place for grounding. The Aumox SG105POE has a maximum power output of 58 watts, and that's with a maximum output of 30 watts per port. It has 1-key VLAN to help prevent against DHCP spoofing, Gigabit Uplink, and built-in lightning and surge protection. So to recap, if you are looking for a small PoE switch for your home or small office, you're looking to power devices like IP cameras or IP phones or APs or really any device that uses power over Ethernet, you should really consider taking a look at the Aumox SG105POE. Now to learn more, contact Corporate Armor today. Our security experts can help you find the products that best fit your business. And as always, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay up to date and notified with everything that's going on at Corporate Armor. If you like this video, you should check out some of our other Corporate Armor videos by clicking here and here, or here and here, or I really don't know where they're going to put the videos, but you're already here, so you might as well check them out.